Hello students, this is second part of important MCQs of basic science physics. This is for unit 1, that is units and measurement. First question is the requirements of good unit is dash. It should be universally accepted, well defined and easily available and invariable. That means all of the above. It is the correct option. A set of fundamental and derived unit is called as what? It is called as a system of unit. Then CGS means what? cm, that means centimeter, gram and second. Then FPS means feet, pound, second. Then the physical quantities which do not depends on the any physical quantities for their measurements are known as fundamental quantities. Sixth question is the SI unit of temperature is degree Kelvin. The CGS unit of force is Newton. Which of the following is not a fundamental unit? Question number 8. Newton, it is not fundamental unit. Which of the following is a derived unit? Joule is derived unit. 1 gigahertz means 10 into 10 raised to 9 hertz. Then 1 millimeter means 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Question number 12 is 10 raised to minus 6 meter means 1 meter. The dimensional formula for velocity is D option, that is LMT, L raised to 1, M raised to 0 and T raised to minus 1. The dimensions of work is option C, that is L raised to 2, M raised to 1 and T raised to minus 2. The SI unit and dimensions of density are kilogram per meter cube. The difference between true value and measure value, it is known as what? It is known as error. For less error, measurement is more accurate. The errors occur due to use of faulty instrument is called as which type of error it is? It is instrumental error. The errors occur due to defective setting in measuring instrument. It is called as systematic error. The magnitude of difference between mean value and measure value, it is called as absolute error. The ratio of mean absolute error in the measurement of physical quantity to mean value, it is called as a relative error. Question number 22. A figure which is of some significance but does not necessarily denote a certainly is called as significant figure. All non-zero digits are always significant. Then calculate 2.34 into 10 raised to 4 minus 1.23 into 10 raised to 3 with respect to significant figures, and the answer is C, that is 2.22 into 10 raised to 4. Then 25th question is 23 mm is equal to what? It is equal to 2.3 centimeter. The number of significant figure in the measurement of 0.0560, it is 3. Calculate the percentage of error in the measurement of density of cube if mass of cube has 3% error and the length has 2% error. The percentage are 9%. The outer diameter of spherical body was measured by vernier caliper of least count 0.01 centimeter. The measurement are 2.51 centimeter, 2.54 centimeter, 2.53 centimeter and 2.54 centimeter. Find mean outer diameter, mean absolute error and percentage error. See, answer is given. Mean outer diameter is 2.53. Mean absolute error is 0.01 centimeter and percentage error is 395 percentage. Now MCQs on unit 2, electricity and magnetism. The excess or deficiency of an electron in a body gives concept of what? It gives concept of charge. The types of electric charges are both A and B, that means positive and negative, these are the types of electric charges. Two equal number of positive charge and negative charge is electrically neutral. Then the like charges dash each other and unlike charges dash each other. Like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. The protons and electrons create electric field which exert force called as Coulomb's force. Then sixth question is the force of attraction and repulsion between two charges at rest is both A and C, that means directly proportional to product of magnitude of two charges and inversely proportional to square of distance between two charges. If the distance between two charges increases, the force between them it decreases. The ratio of permittivity of medium to permittivity of vacuum is called as dielectric constant. The substance which does not allow current to flow through them show electric effect are called as dielectrics. Then question number 10. Question number 10. The ability or property of medium to permit electric lines of force to pass through it is called as permittivity. The dielectric constant of air is 1. The dielectric constant of medium other than vacuum or air it is greater than 1. Then the dielectric constant of metal is infinity. If two equal and similar charges are separated by 1 meter apart and exert a force 9 into 10 raised to 9 Newton, then each charge is said to be 1 coulomb. The unit of charge is coulomb. The space surrounding an electric charge in which any other charge experience a force, it is called as electric field. In dash electric field, the force varies from point to point in magnitude and direction. In non-uniform electric field, force varies. In uniform electric field, force is same everywhere. Then see 19th question. The force acting on unit positive charge in the electric field, it is called as electric field intensity. The unit of electric field intensity, it is both A and B, that means Newton per Coulomb and volt per meter. As the dielectric constant of medium increases, the electric field intensity decreases. The electric field intensity, it is depend upon what? It is depend upon charges, permittivity or dielectric constant, distance between two charges, the amount of work done. Question number 23. The amount of work done in bringing unit positive charge from infinity to point in electric field against the direction of electric intensity, it is called as electric potential. The SI unit of electric potential is volt and joule per coulomb. 1 joule per 1 coulomb is equal to 1 volt. The SI unit of electric potential difference is volt. The region around a magnet or current carrying conductor in which its magnetic effect can observe, it is called as magnetic field. Question number 28. The SI unit of magnetic field, it is Tesla. The SI unit of magnetic intensity, it is a Tesla. The CGS unit of magnetic field intensity is Gauss. 1 Gauss is equal to 10 raised to minus 4 Tesla. The intensity of magnetic field at a point as a force experienced by North Pole kept at that point. The magnetic lines of force moves outside the magnet is North Pole to South Pole. Question number 34. The magnetic lines of force moves inside the magnet is South Pole to North Pole. The magnetic lines of force starts from North Pole and end South Pole outside the magnet. The magnetic lines of force are dash intersect with each other. They never intersect with each other. The magnetic lines of force contract longitudinally. The magnetic lines of force expands laterally. Question number 38, they expands laterally. Then question number 39, the lines of force is affected by non-magnetic materials. The line of force of uniform field is parallel. The line of force of non-uniform film is curved. The line of force are crowded in a region where magnetic field is large. The line of force are separated in a region where magnetic field is small. In question number 44, the total number of lines of force which flows from outward from north pole of magnet, it is called as magnetic flux. The SI unit of magnetic flux is Weber. Question number 46, the CGS unit of magnetic flux is Maxwell. 1 Weber is equal to what? 1 Weber is equal to 10 raised to 8 Maxwell. The SI unit of magnetic field intensity is all, that means Tesla Weber per meter square. The rate of flow of charge, it is called as current. The unit of current is both A and B, that means ampere and coulomb per second. 1 coulomb per 1 second, question number 51, is equal to 1 ampere. The ratio of potential difference to electric current, it is called as resistance. The property of conductor to oppose the flow of electric current, it is known as resistance. The resistance of a conductor depends upon what? It depends upon material, length and area of conductor and also on temperature. That means it's all three factors. The resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to length. Then question number 56 is, the resistance of a conductor is inversely proportional to what? It is inversely proportional to area. As the length of wire increases, the resistance of a conductor is also increases. As the area of cross section of conductor increases, the resistance of a conductor decreases. The resistance of a material of unit length and unit area of cross section, it is called as what? It is called as resistivity and specific resistance. The unit of resistivity or specific resistance is ohm meter. Then 61 question. As the area of cross section and length of conductor changes, the resistance of a conductor also changes. As the area of cross section and length of a conductor changes, specific resistance of a conductor is constant. In question number 63, specific resistance of a conductor, it depends upon what? It depends upon resistance of conductor, length and area of cross section. That means all three factors. The series combination of resistance is used to increase the resistance of a circuit. The parallel combination of resistance is used to decrease the resistance of circuit. In parallel combination, the potential difference across each resistance is same. Question number 67. The production of heat energy in a conductor due to electric current flowing through it is called as heating effect of electric current. The mechanical equivalent of heat is equal to joule is equal to 4.2 joule per calorie or 4200 joule per kilocalorie. If the length of conductor is double and area of cross section is half, the resistance of a conductor is 4 times increases. If current flowing through a conductor is 2 ampere, find the potential difference across the conductor. If its resistance is 3 ohm, it is 6 volt. Answer is 6 volt. This is the potential difference. The resistance of a conductor is 10 ohm and potential difference across it is 20 volt. Find the current flowing through it. It is 2 ampere current flowing through the conductor. The next question is question number 73. The 70 coulomb charge are flowing through a conductor for 7 seconds. The current flowing is 10 ampere. Two wires having length in the ratio 2:4, radius in the ratio 2:1, and the specific resistance ratio is 4:1. Find the ratio if their resistance is 1:2. The resistance of 4 ohm, 6 ohm, 8 ohm are connected in series. The equivalent resistance of a combination is 18 ohm. The three resistors are 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 5 ohm are connected in series. If the potential across the combination is 10 volt, the current passing through the circuit it is 1 ampere. The three resistors 4 ohm, 2 ohm, 8 ohm are connected in parallel. The potential difference across the combination is 20 volt. Then the current flowing through each resistance is 5 ampere, 10 ampere and 2.5 ampere. When two equal resistors are connected in series, the equivalent resistance of the combination is 20 ohm. Equivalent resistance of combination when they are connected in parallel, it is 5 ohm. Question number 79. Calculate the force of repulsion between two unit charges placed unit distance apart in air. This force is 9 into 10 raised to 9 Newton. The distance between electron and proton in hydrogen atom is about 5.3 into 10 raised to minus 11 meter. What is the magnitude of electric force between them? The magnitude is 82.04 into 10 raised to minus 8 Newton. Two charges 9 mu c and 4 mu c when placed in dielectric medium at a distance of 3 meter will exert a force 9 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton. Calculate the dielectric constant of medium. It is 4. Dielectric constant is 4. Then two charges of 20 mu c and 25 mu c are placed in a medium having dielectric constant 2.4. Experience force of 9 Newton. Calculate the distance between the charges. The distance between charges is 0.456 meter. Find the magnitude of charge which exerts a force of 1 by 9 Newton on a charge of 100 mu c when kept in air at a distance of 9 centimeter from it. The magnitude is 10 raised to minus 3 mu c. Question number 84. Find the magnitude of electric force acting on an electron located in an electric field with an intensity of 5 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per coulomb. Magnitude of electric force is 8 into 10 raised to minus 16 Newton. Question number 85. Find the intensity of electric field at a point 50 centimeter away from a charge of 50 meter coulomb in air. It is intensity of electric field is 9 into 10 raised to 8 Newton coulomb. Find the work done when the charge of 50 mu c is moved from a point at a potential minus 10 volt to a point of plus 3 volt in an electric field. It is work done is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 joule. Find the electric potential if the work done to move a charge of 100 mu c from one point to another, it is 5 joule. Then electric potential is 5 into 10 raised to 4 volt. A current of 0.5 ampere is flowing through a bulb for 10 minutes. Find the charge. It is 300 coulomb. The charge is 300 coulomb. Then question number 89. A charge of 600 coulomb is flowing through a circuit for 5 minutes. Find the current. That current is 2 ampere. A 4 meter long wire has diameter of 0.30 mm if its resistance is 30 ohm. Find its resistivity. Its resistivity is 5.3 into 10 raised to minus 7 ohm meter. Specific resistance of aluminium is 2.65 into 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter. Find the resistance of aluminium wire of length 100 meter and diameter 1 mm. The resistance is 3.3 in 3.376 ohm. Then question number 92. A wire of 50 centimeter long and 1 mm square in cross section carries a current of 4 ampere when connected to 2-volt battery. Find specific resistance of wire. It is 10 raised to minus 6 ohm meter. Two wires have length in the ratio 1:2, diameter ratio 4:1 and specific resistance ratio 4:1. Compare their resistance. Their resistance comparison is 1:8. Find the heat generated in calorie if a current of 1 ampere is passed through a coil of resistance 836 ohm for 1 minute. The heat generated is 12,000 calorie. Find the time required in minute to produce 2400 calorie heat when a current of 2 ampere is flow through a wire of resistance 4.18 ohm. And the answer is 10 minutes time is required. Two filaments of resistance are connected in parallel. If supply of voltage is 150 volt and total current through the circuit is 2 ampere, find the resistance of each filament. Also find the heat produced in 5 minutes. It is 2.14 into 10 raised to 4 joule per calorie. This is second part of important MCQs of physics. Now we will see third part of important MCQs of physics. Thank you.